A very warm welcome to all of you. Thank you so much for choosing our organization. So we'll begin with the roles and responsibilities, what you have to do throughout the internship and everything. So let's start with the session. Since you all have been hired for the specific roles and different responsibilities, we are going to talk about it. Okay. So before we go ahead with your roles, it is very important for you to know that how the things goes on. However, we wanted to play a video to present you how the things goes on, how we work, what are the activities we do. However, you might have heard about, you have listened, you have viewed the PPT, the presentation, how it was going on. So yes, let's start. Can you please go to the next screen? Okay, so before we go ahead, let's talk about the organization. So Youth Empowerment Foundation, as the name suggests, we basically focuses on youth, empowering them and providing them the opportunity. We are non-profit organizations and our main head office is located at Pitampura, New Delhi. You can obviously visit to this particular office anytime, whenever you wishes to. And we are very glad to say that we have connected to more than offline volunteers, that is 500 volunteers who are continuously working with us in a different states and sectors of our country. And during the COVID situation, with the help of our volunteers, we were able to distribute more than 1,500 grocery kits with the precautions. Someone is unmuted, please mute yourself. Apart from that, we are also running an helpline number. This helpline number, you can obviously visit to our social platforms like on website, and you can get how this helps out. This helpline number, daily wages earners, where if anyone, even you, if you come in contact with any of the daily wages workers or the poor people who is surviving to arrange their daily breads, so you can obviously connect to us on that particular number, and our team will connect to you and will provide the supports based on the verifications. Okay, next slide, please. Okay. Apart from that, we have lots of projects running on. Like we have a projects like Project Impact Academy. We have the projects like Sanitary Napkins, Project Muskurahat, Love and Backpack. Similarly, the Project Muskurahat, where we have distributed more than 1,000 sanitary napkins to the rural women, making them aware about the importance of sanitations and hygiene. We know that most of the rural women don't know about the importance of sanitations and hygiene during the menstruation periods. So we have made them aware. We have conducted these survey with the help of 500 volunteers, and we provided them a free sanitary napkins, and also given them the techniques how to use these type of sanitary napkins. Apart from that, we have also provided a free education to more than 200 children at various locations in Delhi, as I already talked about that. We have okay, so please do not use the annotation tool. So we have different projects. So this is actually, we have provided 200 children a free education, and still we are working on. And we are also running a skill training centers at our centers like IIT and soft skills, candle making. This basically skill training is for those people who are unable to gather and who are unable to avail the facilities like a normal human being. So we generally, in order to empower them and make them self-reliant, we provide these particular skill trainings to them. And recently, we have also started with the free UPSC coachings, and we have connected to many mentors like who is teaching, who has experiences in teaching to a daily coaching. So if you wish to join, you can obviously join our free UPSC coachings, and we are basically providing this to the needy ones who is really in need of the resources. And we also conduct a webinar. You can obviously conduct a webinar and be a part of our webinars at any time. The webinars are basically focused on the social issues like domestic violence, martial rate, depressions. We know that these are the major cause literally going on, the social issues. So these are things we are working on. Okay, next please. Okay, so before we go ahead with these things, it is very important for you to know who is the founder of the organization. So the founder of the organization is Mr. Ram Babu Sharma. If you want to know more about it, his article has been featured on Indian periodical page. You can obviously go, and he was nominated as a person of the week due to his work in the different social causes. So you can obviously read it, and he has helped a lot of disadvantaged background people and provided them a resource and make them a self-reliant by providing them the opportunity to grow and obviously do something in their life. as we know that everyone, whenever you start something, you have a special cause for it. So similarly, he was at the age of 13, he came to Delhi, he left Bihar. It's just a small story. He had a dream in his eyes that he will obviously be a big man and provide a support to his family. But we might see that yes, Delhi is a beautiful place. It has a different things, but still, uh, there are a lot of black collar jobs which Ram Babu Sharma faced, and he was into the activities like sweeping, wiping, a lot of activities, with only dream to earn something and do something for his family. He was forced to do these type of activities. He was from a very poor economical background. He started with this lesson. He started to start an NGO where we will be providing all the opportunities to the slums and the one who is facing such issues, and they can get a free resourceful life with the full of obviously facilities and everything. And we are very proud to say after the struggle never ends, and whenever you work hard, something you achieve. So similarly, he with his full dedication, he studied hard, and right now he is working with the German multinational companies, where he is working on a different thermal power projects where across the globe. And he is majorly, the best thing is that he is majorly donating half of his salaries to the NGO, and obviously putting the efforts in order to provide the full facilities, not to the slum peoples, but also the volunteers who are helping us to reach to the maximum people. So this is just a small journey of the founder who has built this wonderful youth empowerment foundation. If you want to know more about him, you can obviously go to this person of the week article, and you can read more about him, and you can also visit to the social platforms of organization. So next, please. Okay, so like every organization, whenever any organization starts setting up, so it has a basic histories or timelines. So similarly, the organization Youth Empowerment Foundation has such timelines. We started in 2015. In 2017, we finally got registration under the Society Act of 1860, and within 2018, 1 year of gap, we launched many of the projects in order to provide the supports to these particular people who are unable to avail the facilities like Hamari Pathshala, Love and Backpack, and Project Love. These all are the projects, but basically each and every project has a different theme in order to provide the supports to all the sectors, not only the youth, but also the migrants, but also the women's, but also empowering the youth. So these were the projects we were launching on, and we were also planning to come up with many projects which is somewhere going to benefit our society and our people. And obviously 2022, we have set a goal that we will be trying to reach to across India. We will be spreading our reaches to across India by launching our many offices at a different sectors and providing us supports with the help of volunteers. So with the goal to strengthen the base of the poverty stricken people and provide them the opportunities to have their resourceful life, we will be launching many other projects with the support of the volunteers like you. Okay, next please. So these are the states where we have reached, and each and every sector has a volunteer working us. Not only the north sectors, but we have also covered to the west sectors, to the north sectors, and to the south sectors. Each and every sector, we are not able to reach to these sectors, but the volunteers like you, someone from Varanasi, someone from Kolkata, someone from different states, has helped us in providing the supports to these people, that too of cost. They have used all of their efforts and energies, and they were very lucky to get this opportunity to work and serve these type of people, because at the end, when you support someone and when they smile, you somewhere get in happiness, inner happiness. So this is what exactly our volunteers are helping us, and we have tried. Obviously, few of the states are left, like Gujarat, Jammu, Kashmir. We are trying to reach our level best till 2022, and we hope that we will be able to reach to these people with the support of yours. Next, please. Okay, we already talked about the founders and the organization, so I won't be taking too much time. Though the organization, obviously, I already talked about. It was started in 2017. We have came up with many initiatives to give an opportunity to youth to come forward and outshine the skills, the women to empower and aware them about the importance of sanitations and self-awareness and hygiene. And obviously, we are also focusing on children in providing free education. These initiatives are not restricted to only one sectors of society, but also we are focusing on the youngsters, the old age people, the women's, and to make our citizen more self-reliant and bring a change in their particular life, we have set up many of the projects and programs. Next, please. Okay, so now about the opportunities. The organization obviously provides the opportunities in all the sectors, in different sectors. So obviously we believe that youth is the future of the country. Next, we don't know after 10 years what you are going to be do from here, but this the aim of this organization has started that each and every person in this country has born with a special reason. So each and everyone should have a particular sense of responsibilities toward the social works. Either it can be providing the supports to any of the beggars or even to your mates also who is working with you. So we are planning to connect to youth like you who will be helping us to contribute to the social affairs, social welfares. So in order to achieve, we have obviously, we generally provide the training sessions to our volunteers so that they at any time didn't left confused with what they have to do and then they needed to be done. Each and everything at each and every steps you will be obviously guided and leaded by our team members. You do not need to worry about that. We are here to lead you and direct you till your end of internship. Next, please. Okay, so now let's talk about your opportunities since you were waiting along for this. So you know that you have been hired for the teaching volunteering. So obviously at every weekend, that is obviously you can select your dates, weeks like Sunday and Saturday and Sunday. You have to connect to the maximum underprivileged children. Obviously before connecting, you have to do a little bit surveys with the help of our team, and you have to conduct a community service. Now community service doesn't mean surveys doesn't mean that you have to reach to a maximum people. You have to cover 10 to 15 areas or societies. You can even in whichever areas you are living on or excluding from your areas, you can choose any one of the community where you want to do a survey. A survey might include that. For example, let me talk about the survey. What exactly is survey? So survey, for example, you visited to any one of the slum people house and you pen down some of the questions, that in which class your student is studying, what are the facilities you are providing, what are the problems you are facing. This type of things you will be able to pen down few of the researches you have done, and you can obviously make a small note on this, that you have conducted these type of community surveys. So this is what a survey is. You have to visit to any one of the communities which is very near to you, and you have to organize these particular surveys. You can ask the questions based on your researches. Make sure that you are doing a research on the basis of the topic you want to work, either the educations, either the hygiene, sanitations, either the employment, anything, whatever you want to do. Okay, so then you have to, if possible, if it's like you can go out and you can connect to some slums whom you can teach. So see, you are going to face a lot of challenges, but challenges never ends when you tries to put effort. So obviously you have to teach the underprivileged children. You have to specifically on the weekends with whom you have done the survey, you can talk to them, to the parents, that you can convince them that we will be nearby conducting these particular teaching facilities where we will be providing them the facilities and the resources, that too free of cost. Now each and every volunteers whosoever will be teaching whatever interns or whatever the slums, they have to maintain a datas and the records. For example, on Sunday I taught 2 people, and on the next day, that is on Saturday, I taught 1 people. So I need to maintain my datas every weekend, that I will be teaching these number of candidates, because this will be helpful for us, because you have to at least do the 10 drive, that is 10 ground activities in order to get certificates and everything. So it is very important that you see how the things goes on. And apart from that, this is just your different things. That is your offline work that will be only conducted on the weekends. And the surveys you can conduct anytime alone also. And if you want to tag along any of the friends residing nearby you or the team members whom you are in the group, if they can connect to you, so obviously you can approach to them and talk about a few of the strategies you want to go ahead. Now the next thing is that the online, obviously you cannot just do all the offline works. You have to also head the organization in promoting through online platforms. We will be also providing you a certain task, so that you can doesn't feel mundane about the particular things that you're just sitting and doing ground activities on that on weekends. You have to wait till Saturday and Sunday comes. No, we will be also providing you meanwhile task which you will be obviously enjoy, and you will be working and obviously working enthusiastically. So you can also collect old books and stationaries. For example, if your friend says that I don't have a use of my class 12 or class 10 books, and if you feel that they can give to you and you can donate them, there are many people who just there is one book, what I should say, book collector who generally collect a book from your house. So they generally sell their books to them. So instead of selling, you can collect that particular books from there and the stationaries, and you can distribute to the underprivileged. This will also save your resources and also save the books and the copies which was going to at a different place. So obviously you can become a support for the literacy programs. So work, you will be assigned, each and every one will be assigned with a different work. The work might sometimes might be collaborated, but sometimes it can be individual work. So you have to follow the guidelines to make sure that you are enjoying the internship, and believe me that you're not going to get any other opportunities like this to explore more and more how much you want to commit to the social service. And I believe that if you have joined the internship, you didn't have joined only for the certificates, because there are a lot of internship already lined on Internshala. So I believe that you will obviously, if you have joined the organization, you should have the motivation and dedication to serve these particular slums and help us to reach the maximum people. So this was all about your opportunities. Next, please. Okay. So your internship is for 2 months. You need to complete the internship within 2 months. And if you want to extend, if you have a time and you wish that you can, yes, you can give 2 to 3 hours to the organization. So you can obviously connect to us. Please try not to leave the internship in between, because we might not issue the certificates. If you have any medical health issues, you can obviously join, and you can obviously take a leave for that. Less than 2 months will not be considered. So we hope that you obviously connect to us for 2 months. And we will be, for the offer letter, we will be providing you a hiring task which you need to do. And okay, which you need to do in order to, I will come to your questions at the end. Okay, so don't think that I'm ignoring your questions. So the offer letter is like you will be getting after you have completed your hiring task, in order to make sure that everyone whosoever has joined the meet is really willing to work with us and continue with us. So we will be providing you a one simple hiring task you need to perform, and within 24 hours, as soon as you have completed a task and submitted to the team, you will be, within 24 hours you will be getting your offer letter form. Okay, so this was about the opportunities. Next, please. Okay, so it's already mentioned on Internshala that it's totally unpaid internship opportunities. No stipend will be provided. If you wish that you want to switch your roles and different responsibilities, you can obviously, after the completion of this internship, you can switch to the different roles, and selection will be totally based on your performances and your ethics and how you are behaving with the teams. Okay, so yes, next, please. Okay, so since the volunteers are helping us to connect to the maximum people, we have also started providing some facilities. The first facilities, we award the interns, the star performer. Every week we nominate one of the candidates whosoever has performed the best, and we feature them on our social platforms and also provide the appreciation certificates. Apart from that, we also conduct many webinars. If you wish that you want to utilize your 2 months of tenure. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
okay. Thank you so much. So you can rejoin. I think, Mohammed, you can rejoin. Maybe you're facing some network issue. Okay, so I was like, yeah, you can join many webinars which we conduct, that is free of cost. You can join that webinar, and we will be providing you participation certificates for the same. We have also started running a free UPSC coachings, which is generally being provided by different mentors who are located in Delhi. So they are providing this free coachings to them. You can enroll them. We will be providing you the forms. We have recently started the session. If you want to utilize your tenures and utilize the time, and if you are really preparing for these examinations, you can register. We will be sharing you the form for the same. Okay, next, please. So these are the few of the feedbacks through our interns. You can obviously read it. I won't be reading out because it will take a huge time. So you can just see that these are the few of the feedbacks which the intern has given to us. Okay, next please. Okay, so there are a set of important guidelines that you need to be followed. The first is that make sure that you are not spamming any of the WhatsApp group. Mohammed, please can you mute yourself? Okay, so please try not to spam the WhatsApp groups through sending any of the promotional text or any of the text which is not related to Youth Empowerment Foundation. And obviously we believe, 1 minute, let me mute him. Okay, so we obviously respect each and every gender. There is no specific that you shouldn't abuse any of the females or even the male colleagues of your team, because we value each and everyone. So make sure that you are not doing that, because we expect the professionalism from your side. Try to join all the training sessions. The training sessions are for you only, so that you can drop down your queries and solve the queries in that particular training sessions. Okay, and during the meeting or any of the conversation with the organization representative, do not show the unprofessional behavior. Even though if you do not agree with her or his opinion, you can obviously approach to the admins of the group and you can talk to them and tell them about your problems. Please refrain from using unprofessional behaviors, and you can, if possible, it's not like for the outsiders, it's for Delhi. If you or any one of you can visit to the office, so you can visit to within 2 weeks, so that we can get to know more about you. But if you can't, that is totally online internship, you can continue with it. Okay, next please. Okay. Okay, so you will be, as soon as you have submitted yours, all the details, we will be making sure that you are issued with the volunteer ID card, your own ID cards and the offer letters. ID card may take time because it needs to be parcel from parcel from Delhi. So you need to wait for it as soon as you have got your volunteer ID card. Sorry, offer letter, you can start working on it. To be eligible for the certificate, you need to participate in at least 10 of the drives, so that we can say that yes, yes, the particular person has been active, and there shouldn't be any 15 days gap. If you feel that you have a medical emergencies, you can talk to us anytime. So yes, if you have the examinations, you can obviously drop down the text to the admins or in the groups that you have the examinations and you won't leave. We will obviously give you a leave. Okay, next please. Okay, let's talk about the question. Is there Is there any other option available to extend our services if the given locations are too far from the where we are living? So, for example, let me take example of Varanasi. If a particular person is residing in Varanasi and they are near Sundarpur, or they are in the Lanka, or there are two different places. Person A and B are two different places, so they can conduct their own services. They do not need to travel to a long distance due to the COVID situation. So you can obviously conduct the service in the particular areas where you are residing, and you can obviously bring your friends. Okay, you can tag along your friends, and your friends can also join the organization, and we will obviously welcome them and make them a part of your organization. Next please. Next please. Okay, so this is how your certificates will look like, and this is just an idea of how your certificates will look like. Okay, next please. Okay, so I have covered each and everything, whatever I was supposed to. If I'm missing something, and you can just drop down your queries on the chat box. Now I am ready to take your queries and will solve. And already drop down queries, I will start taking your queries. So okay, 1 minute. Okay, just watch it. Maybe some voice. Okay, Aditya Sharma, The internship is, yes, it's for 2 months, and there is no flexible hours in a day. I mean, you can obviously, it's a totally flexible, but if you have to do the ground activities or if you have to do the surveys, you need to take out your time at least 2 to 3 hours, because survey is a little bit long time. That is why we have given you 2 to 3 sorry, a weekends ground activities. So you can obviously, as compared to other days, that's totally flexible. You will be provided with the task, you can complete and submit to your HR as soon as the deadline has been over. Whereas the weekends task, that is, you have to visit and do some ground activities. So in that case, you have to fix your date for the particular things. Okay. Okay, Aditya, again, Aditya, there is no specific language. See, if you are residing in Kolkata, it's very genuine that the people will speak Bengali over there. If you are from Odisha, the people will speak Odia. If you are from Varanasi, obviously Hindi is the common language. And if you are from Pune, then I think there is a specific language which I'm not able to recall. It runs. So obviously, when you are going on the slums, so you will be getting to know that yes, they are comfortable in that particular languages. So you can use any of the languages whichever you wishes to and you're comfortable at. Okay, but first of all, you need to see the environment where you are conducting these surveys. If the environment is like people are comfortable at Hindi, you cannot use English right over there, because they just don't know what is English. So you have to use and adapt the way they are communicating with you. Okay. So no, Kamal, the internship is of 2 months. You need to commit to the organization for 2 months, because 10 drives in 1 month is not possible, to be very honest, because the COVID situation is going on. So that is why the internship is 2 months, and you need to do 10 drives, 5 in 1 month and 5 in 2 months. That's totally on, you can do. But in order to get the certificate, you need to obviously complete 10 drives. Okay. Why we can't connect with online classes nowadays? It's why can't we connect with online classes nowadays? It's mandatory. Mm. I am so sorry, DTD. I'm not able to understand your question. Can you please unmute yourself and let me know, because the question is a little bit confusing to me. Are you here in the meet? I think he's not here in the meet also. Anyways, okay. Yes, please, can you unmute yourself or can you use the chat box and let me know what exactly you're trying to ask? Meanwhile, I will go to the next question. Okay, Shankha, we haven't started our centers and Kolkata. We were looking for the volunteers who can help us in connecting and setting up our offices. Right now, we have recently launched our office at Hyderabad, but our basic office is at Delhi. We will be soon making and extending our, I already told you, by 2022, we are trying to to set up the office at different sectors, so we can obviously launch our programs over there. So I hope I was able to cover your queries. Okay, when will the program starts, Shweril? The program starts from tomorrow. You will be getting your hiring task you need to perform tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We will be, within 2 days, we will be providing you the task. You can obviously start working on the task. Ma'am, I am from Tamil Nadu. How do I do this from here? Okay, so you're from Tamil Nadu. I can give you two options, to be very honest. First, you can connect to your friends and do these ground activities, or you can help in the research works through online basis, like how to connect to the people. There are different research, online promotions, campaign promotions. So you can do that. If you know that your friends are really ready to, like, ready to work and with some ground activities, you can obviously connect to them and you can convince them. We will be also providing them the certificates if they connect to us and do these activities. So these two options you can do: either you work totally online or you connect to your friends and perform like the activities we are doing like everyone. Okay. Cheryl, yes, you can bring your friends who haven't been selected in the internship, but your friends also need to do a 10 drive in order to get the certificates. Okay, but if your friend is only willing to tag along you for one of the particular drives, so you can obviously invite them. There is no such issues. But if he or she is giving the time, I believe that he should or she should be also appreciated. So we might give him or her the appreciation certificates from the organization side if he is not ready to commit to us for the 2 months. So I think we got two Tamil Nadu's candidate like Janani and DDT. So you can obviously we can talk on it like yes, we can talk on it how you want to go ahead with it. So I have covered my my statements, I have solved your queries for the same. Okay, what's your location, Priyanshi? We already told you we haven't started yet. Our office is a basic office is at Delhi, where we have and right now yesterday we launched our one of the office at Hyderabad. So we will be soon extending our reaches to different Uttar Pradesh sectors, even the Odissas and different with the help of the volunteers. Okay. How to provide the teaching services? I think Amolika, I have already covered with the Tamil Nadu ones. If your friends is willing to work with you in the ground activities, you can go ahead and talk to them. If not, you can totally perform the online activities that will be provided to you by the team, like preparing a particular modules, teaching modules which can be helpful for the slum children. Okay. Due to net issue, I was not able to attend. Please. Shubham, do not need to worry. The recording sessions will be shared to you so you can get an idea. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Amolika this side. So you were saying about the online activities. So like preparing teaching modules and doing campaigning and all will also fetch us a certificate, and you will be giving the guidelines for the same, right?
I will be giving you the guidelines for the same. See, but this is like offline activities, so you can perform this activity on alone also. Like you can do a drive, like if you want to distribute some
Ma'am,
of
your
the
voice is
sanitary.
getting cut in the middle.
Am I audible now?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes,
Amolika,
ma'am,
am
you're
I
audible.
okay? I think you are facing some
Ma'am,
network
ma'am,
issue.
but it's not about how we work as a team or alone. But ma'am, you know the COVID cases are rising even in Varanasi.
Anji, I know. I am also from
And
Varanasi, so I know कि the COVID cases are.
Ma'am, could you repeat what you were saying? I think I missed it out.
Yes. 1 minute, huh? Guys, give me 1 minute. Just 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Amolika, you were asking something.
Yes, ma'am. So you were telling me about how I can go about the online activities.
Huh. Yes. So you like in which state or city you are residing?
Hello.
You are from Kolkata?
No, I'm from Indore, ma'am.
Okay, you're from Indore. So, like, see, you will be, as we know that the COVID cases are increasing very rapidly, so we won't ask you that go and do in front of in the mid of the COVID patients. We do not want your health to be affected. So if you like, if you the cases are running so hard, so if you're from the Indore, okay, so like if you feel that yes, you can just which is your 5 to 6 kilometers of your house or just nearby slums, where yes, you can visit to there and you can distribute some of the sanitary napkins or your old clothes or anything, like anything you want to, so you can do this ground activities. But however, if you feel that yes, you are not able to go
Ma'am, your
out and
voice got cut again. I don't know if it's my issue or.
that now audience can only
think,
tell.
you are facing some issues. I
no, ma'am,
think
it's clear. It's clear. It's audible.
Okay, Amolika, I will solve your queries in the WhatsApp group. Is it fine for you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. uh who was also Kamal, you were also asking something, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, the same question I have about working from home, ma'am. What about
Acha, see,
if I
first of
work
all,
in online mode?
see, देखो, सबसे पहली चीज है कि it is very like the COVID situations are increasing, we know that, but agar if we want to do some of the ground activities, like if I say maximum people from the Varanasi know that where is Assi Ghat, where is Lanka, if they collectively want to do any one of the ground activities, they can come. Obviously we will be taking a precautious measures for this particular ground activities, for the mask and gloves needed to be provided to you, so we will be taking care of everything. However, if you are facing health issues since the week or something, you're having fevers, we will refrain you from doing this ground activities. But since you have joined this internship as the teaching one, where you have to do at least 10 drives, so you have to try, but we won't say that you have to go. We will solve out and see how needed to be go on. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so next was how to provide a teaching.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
Abhishek.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I'm from Kolkata, but right now I've moved into Bhubaneswar. So the thing is, ma'am, since I'm new to the city, I don't know much about the area. But having said so, I'm good in coaching and I'm good in teaching. So the thing is that it was one of the reasons why I joined in here, and I wanted to provide for the society and for a better cause. Now, ma'am, can you please help me regarding this, like finding underprivileged children and the area? Like, can I get a team support or something like that? Is there any
Okay,
connections available
Abhishek,
in here? So,
in which city you are right now?
ma'am, Bhubaneswar.
Bhubaneswar. Okay. Okay. So I think we have our very famous volunteers with us. He is Nishikant. He is residing, Nishikant and Akansha. They have been doing the ground activities. They are residing in Odisha. They will obviously help you. Nishikant, are you in the meet, or Akansha, anyone? I think they.
Yes, ma'am, I am. Yeah.
Okay, so you can
So
take his queries.
basically, okay. So basically, as you due to the city, so don't worry about that. We'll be having a team in that area, and there will be having one city like a lead. Okay, one team leader will be there. He or she will be guiding you about the areas, and you have to visit and that slums areas. Okay. I hope you are clear with this.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
And Abhishek,
And
no need to worry.
and
Sorry to cut you, Nishikant. Yes, you can continue.
okay, one more queries from the like okay, let me see. Why cannot we connect with the online classes nowadays? It's mandatory. Yeah, it is mandatory, but as we all know, like we are going to teach underprivileged children. Am I audible? Am I
You're not
audible?
audible, sir. No.
No, sir, you weren't
Okay.
audible, sir.
Okay. Okay. So Abhishek, Nishikant was trying to say, like, first of all, obviously you have joined the internship and you said that you have a really interest in teaching and doing these activities. So Nishikant and Akansha are basically from Sambalpur, and they will be helping you and connecting to you via calls or the group where you are. So you do not need to worry. They will be guiding you at each and every step. And soon they will be also having a physical meet with the Orissa people, the Sambalpur and different localities. So you can put your views to them and you can talk to them. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay. I am. Can you suggest me, guide me to him for a group or individual somewhere? Okay.
Sonal, I want to answer the query, the Purulia one.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, hi everyone. I'm Ananya Chatterjee and I'm from Kolkata. So first of all, thank you so much and sorry for conducting the meet late. So in Kolkata, we have done groundwork. recently on Women's Day we have collaborated with one organization and we have done. So right now we do not have any center or a formed team here, but we are forming it. So as we all know that the election is going on, so it's better that we do not gather at a place. It might become a little difficult for us. So what we are willing is that if you yourself can do some groundwork in your locality, and once the situation is better here, we all can meet and do some ground activity. And all the people who are not from like the specifically Kolkata, like Purulia and other other places, you can do the groundwork in your area, or if you want and we have any opening for the online teaching, will definitely contact you, and you can be in the group, and if you are having any groundwork we'll be contacting you. So right now you can see in your area, suppose there is one girl or someone who needs the help, you can start teaching them, you can share all the details with us, we'll verify everything, and that is how we'll be considering that you are doing the task, because we do not have any connections in any slum area or anything, and right now we don't think that it's safe for us to go, because safety is our first priority in YF. I hope this is
So-
clear. Or yeah.
Yes, any question you have to ask regarding Kolkata, Ananya is here. She will solve your queries. So please ask, pen down your queries. If you do not have any queries regarding Kolkata, so obviously she is there to guide you. She's one of the core member of the team and she's working for different
Hello, ma'am.
work activities. Yes.
Ma'am, I am Shankho. I am from Kolkata.
Okay.
So,
Ananya.
Yeah.
Ananya, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, if it is possible, then please make a individual group, another group for with some people who are belonging from Kolkata. It will be great. Maybe.
Yes, yes. Actually in the Kolkata group only, we have the people who are from Kolkata and few others. I mean places like Purulia and other places. So there we can talk about all the work and everything. Okay, so if
Okay.
so, the thing is, as we do not have any particular center right now, like we have in Delhi, we are forming it. So we all need your support. If you know anyone and you want to take the initiative, and we want you to take the initiative, please do that. And if you are doing any work, what we need is that you are sending us the, suppose you are teaching a kid, okay, so if you have their Aadhaar card and you are teaching the photo and everything, so you have to send us and we'll consider that you are doing the work. Or even if the teaching is not possible due to COVID protocol and everything, you can just distribute groceries or anything, whatever you want, and you have to send us the photographs and details. So that is how we will be starting with the task. And so this is how we'll be counting your task, because as I said that right now it's a little difficult for us to gather, like all of you are aware, I think. And one more thing, it's fine if you want to communicate in Bengali in the group, because I believe most of the people can understand and there is no language barrier there. So don't feel that if you can't speak English, people will judge or something. Nothing. Like in other groups, all of you can speak in Hindi also. So no issues with that. Any language you are comfortable, you can.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. So any more queries regarding Kolkata groundwork? So please ask that.
I have a query, ma'am. I'm
Yeah.
Meena Agarwal from Kolkata. Ma'am, there is a helper at my home. She has 3 daughters.
Okay.
So all are like in the age of between 5 to 14. So what I was thinking that can I go to her place and teach her? Like she lives in a little bit backward area near my place. Like it's a 10-minute walk. So it's just मेरे घर से just थोड़ा सा पीछे में ही है, backward area है थोड़ा सा, तो वहाँ पे जाके can I go and teach there and like do some ground activities there?
Absolutely, that's a great idea. And what I think also that I myself also did this, cloth distribution during Durga Puja specifically, all the clothes I had, I gave it to them. So all these things we will count. We just need the basically the proof, because see, we have to, we can't just give
Exactly,
you the
ma'am.
certificate, right? So that is the reason we ask for the data and everything, no other reason. Because there are people who are not doing anything and they are getting the certificate, so it will be injustice to the people who are
Correct,
working
ma'am.
hard,
Correct.
right? Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you can definitely do that, and I request everyone that you find at least one child in your area and you start teaching them, and you provide us their improvement, what are you teaching. So once you will be, this is how you can do your task. And once we all are doing that and it's possible for us to find a place where we all can gather and go, then we'll do that. And can you please mention in which locality you live basically?
Ma'am, I am in Lake Town right now.
Okay, like not Kolkata.
Oh,
like no.
Yeah, general. I'm talking about general. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. But once you start doing anything or like that, we'll be assigning HR, okay, or someone to whom you have to report that I have done this work in this week, so
Okay.
so that we can keep a track of it. So once we assign them, you can start with your work, and we'll be sending you the offer letter, and that is how we'll be evaluating your performance, and you'll be getting the certificate. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much. Any more query? Yes. I hope you all are in the Kolkata group, right? That is the only group we have. Like the most, all the people are there who are from Kolkata only, and only the team leads are there. Okay. Yes. So you can say, like, suppose you are planning something, or you think that we can go for the, any idea you have, or you have any connection to any area where we can go and do groundwork, please let us know. We'll definitely go for that. Or you individually want to help someone, you can share that as well.
Ma'am, I have like one more question.
Sure.
Ground activities will be counted as only giving them education, like only teaching them, or giving like distributing them something like food packets or sanitary napkins.
Yeah, that is also ground activity. Teach, like
Acha.
right now we are considering everything. We are not segregating, because we are starting. So you can do one thing, that you can help those kids, or if you want to help the, like, who are in street or something, anything. Okay.
Fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. So thank you so much. I think I'm done with Kolkata. So if you have any more query, please drop it down in the WhatsApp group. I'll definitely revert back, or anyone from the core team will revert back. Thank you so much.
Okay, so any other doubts you have, please use the chat box. Otherwise, obviously, I'm very glad to see that 28 people are still stick to the meeting. So let's see how the work goes on. So if you do not have any doubts, obviously, I would love to say good night to everyone. If you have any doubts, please use the chat box or unmute yourself and let us know. And see, the one who is not able to do the ground activities, there are a lot of works, okay, the online works like college database preparations, connecting to the colleges, or helping us to build the volunteer networks. helping us to connect to the local authorities so we can conduct few of the sessions. So obviously these are different things you can do from work from home, online promotions. You will be also getting a write-up task, different tasks. So you do not need to worry, okay? So yes, Ankit, you can join in the month of May, but meanwhile, if you are right now in Bihar, I don't know whether you're allowed to travel because the cases are really increasing and there might be like the lockdown might be, second phase might start. So if you cannot join in May, so obviously you can perform some of the ground activities in Bihar also, and you can resume in Varanasi as soon as you get back. If not, you can work on the online promotions. Okay.
Ma'am, so will you list down all the tasks that can be performed online, please, on the WhatsApp group so that
See, your
we are
HR will contact you. Okay. Your
okay.
HR will contact you, might within 2 to 3 days, and they will start providing you the task which needed to be done. Okay.
Okay.
So, and they will be also keeping a track of your work. So not need to worry. All the tasks will be shared to you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Anyone else
Hi.
wants to? Yes,
Ye-
Pallavi.
Yes, I want to ask something. Actually, when I joined this group, WhatsApp group, that time I attended orientation, and after the discussion, after the meeting, decided that who are living outside of Mumbai can join in other programs and all. So after that, I was not much active with the volunteering, like the young youth and youth foundation, youth education foundation maybe. So just now I saw your message on group and I joined this call. So can you help me कि मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ अपनी तरफ से, because I missed the all conversation. I joined from 9:45. So can
So
you help
उसकी
me
कोई
with
problem नहीं है. You will be shared with the
उसमें
recordings. Or
sorry?
you will be shared with the recordings. And Pallavi,
Okay.
तुम मुंबई से हो या पुणे से?
ठाणे से हूँ मैं, ठाणे, अंबरनाथ बदलापुर.
मुंबई थाने. Okay. So you can watch the recordings. अगर उससे related कोई different queries है which you feel that I
Okay.
should ask, you can please you are free
Definitely.
to use
Okay.
the chat box. Okay.
Okay. So may I know your good name, please?
My name is Sonal and I'm from
Sonal.
Varanasi.
Okay. Hi, Sonal. So your number is in WhatsApp group? Is it okay? Then I can message you. I can call you if I have any query then. Hello? Hello?
Nothing because I'm okay. Hello.
Okay, Sonal, can you hear me clearly? Am I
Yes,
audible?
now I can. Yes.
Okay. तो आपका नंबर है व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में कि मैं अगर आपको कोई क्वेरी होगी तो कॉल कर पाऊंगी, फिर अगर नंबर है तो?
वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग, सबसे ज्यादा आपको आपके लोकेलिटीज का वही बता सकता है जो उस लोकेलिटीज में होगा, राइट? सो ईच एंड एवरी ग्रुप, either it be Odisha, Kolkata, Mumbai, each and every group has one of the supervisors that is a core member who is already in their group. Okay, so you can connect to them. Otherwise, I'm already in the group. My number starts from 6386. You can connect to me. Okay, if you wish that your queries are not being solved. Okay.
Yeah, definitely. I'll try to find who is the supervisor, because I don't know who is he or she. So I'll check first, and then if anything, then surely I'll contact you. Thank you, Sonal. Thank you so much.
Yes, sure. Okay. Any other doubts, guys? You have to ask. Otherwise, I will end the session. Thank you so much. By when we will get her and by when we will be. Okay, I already talked about it, Abhishek. The task will be shared to you within 48 hours. And the offer letter as soon as we have completed the task. And for the ID card, we will make sure, it will obviously take time to prepare ID cards and all. We will make sure that you are allotted with your cards within 2 weeks of your offer letters. As soon as you get your offer letters, within 2 weeks, we will be issuing you your ID cards. Okay, so shall we end the meet, or is there any other question you want to ask? Shankha, that depends on the place. Okay, if like, you know, there is in some places the courier service has also been stopped. So if like we will be able to connect to you through offline version, we will be sharing you. Otherwise, obviously, we will be emailing you your digital iCard where you can print out. But if we can connect to that particular state or locality, we will obviously be sharing you. Okay. Okay, everyone. Thank you. It was wonderful having you here with us. So all the very best to you for your work. And please feel free to connect to us anytime if you have any issues. If you want to know more about the organization, you can go and visit our different social platforms that will be shared to you on the WhatsApp group.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.